Oh my, did you see that? I killed well just yeeted that dolphin. Hello everyone, my name is Cartoon Games and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another reaction video. Humans aren't on the top of the food chain. We're nowhere near it. We might have the smartest brain, but when it comes down to pure strength and ferocity, a lot of animals are higher than us on the food chain, and we are their prey. On today's video, we are going to be reacting / watching Damn Nature You Scary, Funny Scary Animal Encounters by Top Things. Before we begin, I really appreciate viewing, comment, like and subscribe. Helps out YouTube's algorithm, blah 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 with... Anyways, let's do this. Oh my god. Oh no. No. Oh, hello. Encounter with a bear. Fair enough. Just come to the. I'm going to the campfire. Hello. Oi.
Grizzly bear and her cubs sneak into the backyard garden of a home in Bradbury,
The bear thinks it's a cat.
California. The dogs of the homeowner rush in the fence, and the encounter with the animal groups reach a climax.
Aww. Oh. Fucking little chihuahuas. What's that gonna do? Oh my god, she actually bloody look at her dude. Bloody hell, she just probably pushed that bear right off. Didn't she? Look. Oh bloody hell. I can't believe that. That woman's so brave. Saved the dogs, don't give a shit about himself. Pushed that bear right off the wall. Ow, I keep hitting my hand on my bloody mic. No, my headset. Oh, hello. Drinking some water. Aww, I love snakes. I actually have always wanted a pet snake. That is just adorable, I think. Oh, hello, elephant. Hi. How you doing? You're not going to drink out the pool, are you? Aww. It's chlorine. You can't drink chlorine. I don't think they can. White shark. Okay. Oh my god, hello.
Holy crap!
Ho ho ho.
Jumped right out of the water. You see that? Man.
Huh?
You see that?
Look at that. Just try to go for him. Jesus. Bleh. Oh, hello. Killer whale. That's killer whale. Oh, yeah. You just want to play. Oh, they are surrounding you, mate. Wow. Yeah, that's killer whale.
Tell me things.
Hello.
Say hi. Hi.
Aww.
Hi.
Oh, this is cute. It's gonna eat you though. Oh, hello. Griller. Big griller. Yeah. Go. Jesus. Oh. Leave. Deadliest ocean animal. Oh my! Did you see that? I killed well just yeeted that dolphin. Watch it again. Hi. Don't move. Don't move. Just don't move. Did he just say don't touch my car to the elephant? I don't think the elephant gives a shit. Hi. Oh, I don't have any bananas or peanuts. Why did I say bananas? Damn that ass. That elephant thick. Oh my god, the lady's face. That lady's face is like, oh my god. One minute. Look at her face. Look at her face. She put like, wow. That is mad. Anyways, guys, that was some clips of dangerous animal encounters. I really hope you enjoyed. I really appreciate if you could leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.